take a look at this. Hello, I hope you're well. In this video, I'm going to take you through a room tour. This big, beautiful room here. So this is Protea Hotel, the Ranch in Polokwane City in Limpopo. So I'm just going to show you this room, the bathroom. Now this place is massive. This place is big. This is a resort. There are giraffes here. There are other animals. There are horses. I mean, like, you can do a lot of stuff here. Quad biking, one of those. Trail hiking, trail running, and stuff like that. But I'm just going to show you this room. Hopefully I will be able to show you some things, but the main focus of this video is just a room tour. So let's do that. When you enter, you have these to hang your jackets. This is the bathroom. We'll show you in a minute. And then these are your switches. This is your main bedroom. I don't know if this is queen or king size, but this is what you have. You have 2 lamps over there, and then you have those 4 pillows. You have 2 couches, one couch, and then this table here. Maybe you can just take it and put it this side if you want to sit. How cozy is that? So you can do some reading here or just relax and watch a television. But I don't think that television is smart TV though. So this is your bed right here, and then in front of you, when you are sitting at the bed, you have this big screen. However, it's not a smart TV, And this design, it looks as if there's a fireplace here. However, I like it, it's just nice. Over this side, we have our workstation. And then you have many plugs to charge your stuff. So this is where you work. You have this big mirror in front of you, and you have a phone for room service and for everything that you need. You have a notebook, you have a pen, and also you actually have a nice view here. This big glass and a window. Let's open it. Guys, you have this beautiful view over here, and now they're just watering these plants. Those are other rooms over there. These are other rooms. Over this side, we have this big wardrobe. Nice thing is that the ironing board and the iron is already included, and with that water, And then you have your safe there to put your laptops or everything else that is essential to you. Over here, we have 2 glasses for wine. We have 2 cups for water. We have 5 roses, your tea, you have your milk, you have your sugar, and then you have your coffee. And then you have a lot of water, 2 bottles here. And there's supposed to be 2 bottles here as well. It's just that I used one yesterday. So we also have this mini fridge, which is nice. So that is it from this side. Go to the bathroom. This is the bathroom. So over here we have our mini soap, we have our shower cap, we have our body lotion, and we have tissues over here. We have 2 towels, we have 2 basins, we have 2 glasses for water. We have those extra towels there, And then we have this big mirror here. I don't know how to lie. This bathroom is very big and spacious, and I like that. And take a look at this. We have a shower over here, with no door, but I mean, like, it's big enough. But that water pressure is very much, so it can spill all over the place. But I don't know to lie, the bathroom is just nice. Now I was in room 100. This is how it looks like from the outside. So over here, that is the room that I just showed you. You have a garage of some sort where you just park your car, just like that one over there. And guys, just a glimpse of how big this place is. This is still the same place over there. And trust me when I say you haven't even seen nothing. Now let's go and look at those interesting animals over there. Not sure if, I don't know what. Oh, wow. Guys, are those turkeys or something? What are those bags? Look at those. nice. So I think this is end of the rooms from this side. We have unusual chickens. I mean, like, look at how fair this chicken is. Lots of pigs here, donkeys, horses. The list goes on and on. Unfortunately, I couldn't see it, you know. And unfortunately, you cannot see it as well. Sorry. We also have a swimming pool and a reception this side, you know. Let's go and check them out. Oh, look at that. Golf Course Academy. So maybe you can just come here to join a golf course or clubhouse or something. This is how the rooms look like from here. There's also a playground over there, you know, if you want to enjoy yourself. And that's actually where you lift your weights and gym. We made it to the swimming pool area. Take a look at this. I'm standing on a bridge here. Oh, there's also a dam. There's a lot to see here. Look at this swimming pool. Behind me is the swimming pool. In front of me is a swimming pool. And then I'm just standing over here on this bridge. Over there is the restaurant and the reception, you know. This side is your conference venue. This is where you do your conferencing, maybe your weddings and everything that you need. Over there we have a dam. Let's go and check it out. But that's the gym over there. We're not going to go to the gym. Or are we? So that is where I was walking. Rooms over there, playground area, swimming pool over there, conference venues. There's a tennis court. I'm not sure what these are, you know. You can come and relax here, and then you see a dam over there, you know. I think there's more playground for children. But obviously you pay for access at some of these places, you know. But let's just come and see this dam. Wow. And then guess what? This is a dam. And what do you find in a dam? Geese. Is it a geese? But that type of bird. Look. Little family geese. Geese family. Their children. There is another family over there. Interesting. Then we have a reception over this side.